Hello, we're Theia Insights. We build foundational AI for thematic investing. I'd like to give you a brief tour of our products in ThemeLab. The genesis of Theia Insights comes from its name. Theia is the Greek goddess of sight. We build technologies to allow us to see clearly from a higher perspective. At the foundation of investing, we need to see, on the one hand, what companies do, which tells us what exists in the economy, and on the other hand, what investors do, where they put the money and why. What companies do is modeled by industry classification, and what investors do is modeled by factor models. Let me explain each of these in more detail. First, what companies do. Our first product, Theia Industry Classification, maps a universe of companies to a universe themes. It tells you what exists in the economy and who does what by how much. The TIIC taxonomy models the industries and themes from 10 sectors on the highest level to over 3,000 micro-themes on the most fine-grained level. And it adapts dynamically to the changing economy. And we map each company's business activities to the themes with exposure values. For example, as of July 2024, our model estimates NVIDIA's business activities to be 30% semiconductor, 21% AI, 15% data center and high-performance computing, and with the smaller percentages to other themes such as software, video gaming, and cloud computing. And you can see how companies' themes evolve across time, across the global market. Our second product models what investors do, the Thematic Factor Model. So what is a factor model? Well, imagine the stock price like a sound wave. So if you're in a restaurant with a friend and you record the sound wave will be composed of your voice, your friend's voice, the background noise, the music, etc. And what you want to do is to tease apart different parts or different elements, different sources of the individual sound so that you can hear each of these elements or factors clearly. And that's what a factor model tries to do. Stock price movements are influenced by many different factors. For example, the market, country, company styles, and many industries and themes. The model breaks down the price movements into different factors so that you can see what influenced the ups and downs of single stocks and portfolios. Traditional factor models focus more on market and style factors and less on industries and themes. They are more suitable for traditional factor investing. Our thematic factor model offers over 200 theme factors along with style and country factors for the global market updated daily. It's more suitable for thematic investing. For example, here are the factor price sensitivities of NVIDIA as of August 12, 2024. We can see that data center and high-performance computing and artificial intelligence actually drive its price more than semiconductor. So using this factor model, you can see the return and risk attribution of single stocks and portfolios through a precise thematic lens. So on top of these two foundational models, we offer a suite of application models and datasets, including ETF and mutual fund thematic exposures, concept to universe, and portfolio analysis and report generation. I will briefly introduce ETF thematic exposures and concept to universe. Our ETF exposures allows you to see the thematic breakdown of all ETFs. For example, as of July 2024, ARKK ETF has exposures in blockchain, digital platforms, biochemicals, and so on. And you can easily compare multiple ETFs for their thematic exposures. ARKG compared to ARKK, for example, has more exposures in biochemical, pharmaceutical, genomics, and cancer therapy. And in fact, you can compare all ETFs and mutual funds in the Theia thematic factor space. Giving any portfolio, an ETF or mutual fund, you can find the most similar and most orthogonal other ETFs and mutual funds. Our next product is the concept to universe model. It translates thematic concepts, for example, AI and AI beneficiary, into a universe of investable relevant securities. allowing you to see beyond the obvious names quickly and accurately. So given a concept, the C2U model provides you with a customized taxonomy of all themes relevant to your concept, and a universe of companies, each with a relevant score, so that you can evaluate your existing portfolios or launch new thematic portfolios quickly and reliably. For example, we have created thematic universes for the UN sustainability goals. Given the concept clean water and sanitation, we provide a custom taxonomy of relevant themes, such as pure water systems, stormwater management, and a global universe of companies with relevant scores. These can be used as an alternative way of ESG evaluation and portfolio construction. To summarize, we have built two foundational models, Dynamic Industry Classification and Thematic Factor Model, along with a suite of products for thematic investing. We want to empower investors to see the market clearly so that you can invest in the future that you believe in. Thank you.